Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Professor West for GMC. We're going to do one more quick thing with this little rover that we've been working with. We're going to set up collision detection. How to make our object not collide with another object. This is very important in videos and games and things like that. So you can either stop them from colliding or you can have something happen if they do. So the first thing we need to do is add some more stuff onto our screen. So we're going to go into the edit mode, and let me just pull it back a little bit and let's add some stuff. Doesn't really matter what we add. So I could add an ambulance. Say, oh, don't collide with the ambulance. We'll make it a small ambulance. Let's see what else. Shapes and text. Well, I don't really want to put all that on there. How about, where am I at? Props. Okay, let's go to props. Seems like there's a lot of stuff in here we can have. How about a bathtub? Okay. I'll put a bathtub on there. Why not? Oh, I got a lot of choices for a bathtub apparently. Alright, I'll just pick a blue one. So if our Mars rover is driving around Mars and it accidentally runs into an ambulance or a bathtub, now it'll know how to handle it. Okay, so I'm going to get out of the edit mode. We left this stuff up. This is from when I walked you through how to build it. I didn't add all the extra stuff on to make the wheels turn when he's going left or right and stuff. So right now, if I hit run, it'll move forward, and the wheels will turn when it moves forward, and then that's it. So it'll just go right through other objects as if they're not even there. And the wheels only turn if it goes forward. So here's what we need to do. Make sure you've clicked on your rover or whatever you're wanting to do. If we had a person walking, if we had a dog playing, whatever. Come down to Event Listener, and the very bottom one says Position Orientation. Let me see if I can. Alright. It's going off the screen a little bit, but that's okay. The third one down says Add Proximity Enter Listener, and then it has 3 question marks. This is going to be 3 arrays associated with this. So even though you can't see it, it's the third one. It says Add Proximity Enter Listener. Move over towards the end where it says Custom Array. See how it says Set A and then it says Custom Array. Then another box appears that says Set B Custom Array, and then it appears for the third one, and go ahead and point to the number 1 meter. So basically we're going to tell it if we get within 1 meter of another object to stop. And now we need to add what we're doing. So go ahead and click on the add button, and the first one's going to be the rover, so I'm just going to click on the rover and I'm going to click add. And the second one is going to be the ambulance, and I'm just going to click OK. So I didn't actually set it up for the bathtub. Don't know why I did that, but I didn't. So now it'll work for the ambulance, but not for the bathtub. We could go back through and add more if you want, but I'm just showing you the quick and easy way to do this. So here's what we're going to do. First, this is what, in this place here is what's going to happen if our rover comes too close to an ambulance. So I'm going to grab a do together and I'm going to put it in there because I want this stuff to all happen at the same time. So let's grab a say and drag it in there, and I'm going to change that to something like uh-oh, and click OK. And then the next thing I want to happen is I want it to turn. So I'm going to grab the turn and I'm going to put it in there. And I'm going to have it turn left, I guess about 0.25. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it to move. So I'm going to grab a move, and I'm going to move forward, and I guess I'm going to choose 2.0. Why not? So as my guy approaches the ambulance, he should, when he gets a meter away, go, uh-oh, and then turn left, and then move forward. So that's what we just set it up to do. So let's click the run button and see if that happens. It's not really easy to control this little guy. The smaller movements you make, the easier it is to control. And there he goes. Uh-oh. He turned left and he rolled away partway. Let's try it one more time. Uh-oh. Turns and roll away. They still technically collide. So you'll have to play around with this. You could set it up where if they get within 2 meters or 5 meters or whatever, it would automatically stop. Since we didn't set up the bathtub as one, it's still going to just go right through the bathtub. That's okay. Because hopefully you set up the other one and now it'll work. So let's try it one more time. Uh-oh, and he rolls right through it anyway. Like I said, you have to play with these to get them like you want them. I'm just showing you the basics. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.